guys, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Rebecca, in case this is your first time here, and I am a new mom. Is it new mom or first time mom? Anyways, whichever one. I'm a first time mom, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys some of the gifts we received this month for our baby. And guys, our baby is here, and today makes it 1 month I delivered. Okay, my baby is crying. I don't know why, but he's with his father. Okay guys, don't worry about that. He's with his father. Maybe he's just, I don't know. Anyways, so today makes it 1 month since I delivered, and this gift, I'm like, we are going to start using them soon. So let me just show you guys the gifts we received. Some of the gifts are from Australia, some from Singapore, and other places. So anyways, let me show you guys. And some of the gifts, we have actually opened them. For example, the baby swing, we've started using that one. We've started using some diapers and some other few things, but for these ones, they look nice, so I just want to show you guys. So these are the gifts that I haven't unboxed. Okay, this one is a carton of diapers. Okay, Huggies. So this one is medium size. Guys, these things are really expensive, and the way babies use diapers, I don't even know what to say. So at least we have these ones for use. We don't have to buy. And then this one also from someone, I can't remember, I think from my husband's colleagues. Okay, so one person gave us this one. So guys, the next one, I have this 4-piece gift, and it has the socks. Is this socks? Let me just open it. This is it. Congratulations on your new bundle of joy. Okay, and it has the socks. This is the cap. Yeah, this is the cap, and I think this is, it looks so cute, guys. Oh, and then this cute one here also is a box I received yesterday from my husband's wife. No, my husband's friend, fiance. Okay, there's the card. Let's see what's in the card. It says, "Dear Gabriel and Rachel." Why do people like mistake my name for Rachel or Deborah? People either call me Rachel or Deborah. My name is Rebecca. Today will remain a special day for the rest of your life, as you became parents for the cutest little angel, Jonam. We know it will be loved by many. Congratulations and God bless you. Loveless family. Love, David, and I can't see the other name, but anyways, thank you. Let's see what's in the box. I think I need, okay. Oh, guys, I don't know if you can see this properly, but it has, I think this is bathing soap. Yeah. Okay, I think this is a small napkin to clean the baby's mouth, and then a small baby cloth, a spray for the mom, then belly balm. Here's the next baby gift. This one is from my uncle and his wife from Singapore. So this one contains baby wipes, baby plate and spoon, a toy. I don't know what else is a toy, and this is like This one here behind. Let me just open it. So this is the baby plate. Looks really fancy. White. This is baby's toy, and so this is it. Very cute. It has the cap, the napkin, the clothes, and everything as a set. Okay, I also got cotton wool. I got 2 of this. This is also from my uncle's wife from Singapore. I got cotton wool. And then next one is I got this one. I think this is the item from Australia. I think 2 of them. So I got this one also from my uncle's family. My uncle, yeah. This one is from Australia, and it has clothes. I remember my uncle sent me a picture when he went to Australia. He sent me pictures and told me is shopping clothes for our new baby. So guys, oh, this is really cute. So I have this, and then this one. Then this is a cute cap for the baby. Then this is jumpsuit. Another one again. Shirt with the shorts, and then baby cap. Okay, I think that's all from Australia. This one, I think this one is from I'm not sure, but my husband's colleague at work. Oh guys, it came with newborn lotion. Newborn, what is this? Bathing soap. And it came with balm for baby. Oh, to clean the baby's mouth. Okay, I think this is swaddle, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, baby swaddle. Okay, baby swaddle. Yeah, another swaddle. Okay, then the last one. Yeah, this one is also from my husband's colleague. Okay, baby socks. And then, oh, this is cute. This is really, really cute, guys. Baby top. Then, guys, this is nice. This is really nice. And then it has this, I don't know what this is called, guys. Maybe jumpsuit. So it has 3-piece, the yellow and the gray color. Okay, this one also. This one came with the shorts. The shorts, and then the top. And then what else? Okay, I think I've showed you guys this one. Then, oh my god, this person really bought a lot of clothes. Another top, and I think this is jumpsuits. Yeah, this is jumpsuit. Another jumpsuit. And what is this? Okay, this is a top. This is everything, guys. I didn't need to spend much on buying things for my baby. Most of the things we have, let me just say 80%, were given to us. which is really good. Baby Jonam is really enjoying. Nobody gave me money, nobody gave me anything, nothing at all for carrying this baby for 9 months, guys. It's really unfair, you know. We're giving baby stroller, car seats, baby swing, diapers, clothes, wipes, a lot of wipes. Even I got some from Nigeria also. And then my mom also bought some baby clothes. I know. Basically, we only had to buy the baby bed and just few other things, maybe toiletries. That's it. But most of the things he's using now were given to him. So guys, I don't want this video to be too long. I just want to show you guys some of the gifts we got for baby, and that's it. So I'm going to end this video here. So guys, if you haven't subscribed or this is your first time here, please go ahead and click on the subscribe button. And that's it. I'll see you guys in my next video. See you guys later. Bye.